Hi, it's Sarah from You Floral, and today I'm going to address a question that a lot of you guys ask me, and that is, do I need to put my DIY flower bouquets in the fridge? The answer to that is a firm definitely not. So the reason why not is if you put your flowers in the fridge, it's actually too cold for them. And the other thing about the fridge is you have fruits and vegetables in there, and the gases that they off-put will actually cause your flowers to expire prematurely. So the best spot to put your flowers is just in a cool, dark basement, or even just anywhere in your house that's out of anywhere that's direct hot sun or in front of any fans. When you're buying bulk flowers from You Floral, all our flowers are shipped closed bud, so it's actually good for them to be out in the open because that gives the flowers time to open up to their full form. So the only exception to when you should put flowers in the fridge is your boutonnieres. So I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy trick to make what's called a hydration chamber. So to make that, I'm just using a Tupperware dish. I've got some paper towel here. And I'm going to dunk the paper towel in water, make sure I squeeze it out really well. And then I'm going to put the paper towel in the bottom of my Tupperware container, just so that there's a damp towel on there, just like this. And then I put my boutonnieres on top of the paper towel, then close up the Tupperware and put that in the fridge. So the damp paper towel will allow there to be moisture within the Tupperware, and that will help keep your boutonnieres hydrated because they obviously can't have a water source. So that is the only time when you're going to put flowers in the fridge is your boutonnieres and your corsages. Otherwise, you're just going to put your flowers out in the open, away from any harsh direct sunlight and fans or heaters. So hopefully you guys enjoyed learning from me today. Let me know if you have questions, and thanks for watching.